Hello everyone. So today I'll be telling you more about my project, which is blood donation app. So in this, what we are having is we are taking our blood donation system to a total digital level. So now the donor can donate and he can book an appointment to donate blood with the respective collector, and that collector can actually accept the appointment, enter the amount of blood the donor has donated, and then submit it. So what extra we are doing in this is we are having a leaderboard system in which we are tracking the top donors for every contest, and at the end of the contest, those donors will be awarded in terms of tokens or gift coupons. So first, I'll just tell you more about the schema of this application. So this is the ERD diagram of the application. So we have multiple tables. We have rewards table. We have contest donation, which is a link between contest and the donor, in which like in what all contest donor has registered. Then we have a link between the reward donation table and the appointment. So for what once the worker accepts, the collector accepts the appointment, the donation table gets filled with the donation ID, appointment ID in which the blood donation has happened, and the amount of quantity in the blood donated to. Like so this will tell you about if you and then we have donation camps, which is linked to workers, so which worker is working in which donation camps. And then we have rewards, which donor, the rewards are received by what donor. So this is like the overall schema. So I'll take you more to the application so that you'll understand it much better. So we have two ways of running our application. First is using the terminal, another one is using the IntelliJ. So first I'll tell you more about the terminal way of doing it. So in that, you just have to open the terminal. You have to give your jar. One thing you have to make sure that we are providing you with one properties file. This jar and that property file should be present at the same location, because that property file is having some of the values like root, password, and URL for the database, which will be unique to the person running this jar. So you have to change the values in the properties file before running this jar. So I'll run this jar. Just give me 1 second. I guess I faced some issue. Java hyphen jar. Wait, I just let me just run it. Yeah. So now, so this is our application. It will pop up with three buttons: login page, sign up page, and the worker login page. So first, I'll show you how to add a user, how to register as a donor to our application. So I'll be the user. I'll be like end user. Will be my username, and I'll give my uh, uh, first name as user 12. I'm not giving any password. Then you can see like you cannot move forward without giving the password or the date of birth or any of these fields. And gender and blood group are populated through like drop down. So then you have the option of giving password. So I'll give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's the password. Then I'll select the date of birth. Let me select any random date of birth, and let the blood group be B positive. Okay. So okay. Now finally, I'm at my home page. As a user, as a donor, I'm at my home page, and I'm a new user, so I have a lot of contests to join. So let me join the contest number 2. Okay, so as soon as I joined the contest, I have an option to book an appointment for this contest. So let's see what this button does. Okay, a new page has opened up with a form to fill. It is asking me whether I want to book an appointment with worker 1 or I want to select any other worker. So let's select worker 1. Okay, let's book an appointment. So as you can see, the contest, you can see only the contest you have registered for. You cannot see all other active contests. So let's book an appointment. Wait, date should be a future. You cannot book an appointment and like give the blood. Like yeah. So I have selected the future date and I have added the appointment. As soon as I added the appointment, the page got refreshed and I'm back at my home page, and you can see there's an option for upcoming appointment. Now let's see whether the changes have been made to the database or not. Okay, let's go there. Now let me select the database. Sorry, use donation reward DB. So this is our database name. Let me run this. Okay, I've selected my database. Let's see my donor table first, whether my user got added or not. Okay, so I added the user NU user with the user 12 name, and the password was empty and the blood group was B positive. So it got added. Let's see whether my appointment got added or not. So I have an appointment for NU user with worker 1. The appointment ID is 17 and contest ID is 2. For this contest I've registered. Let's see. Yeah, collector 1, contest ID 2. Now I want to delete this appointment. Okay, I just deleted this appointment. Let's see whether the changes were captured in the table itself or not. As you can see earlier there was tuple 17. Let's see. Let me run this query again. And there is no, like, the tuple is gone. There is no row for any user appointment. As you can see, it's not even in the uh, in this database, in this UI. So let's see whether this change password operation works or not. So as you can see here, if I run this donor table, I have for currently any user have password 1234578. Let me change it to ABC. ABC. Let me submit it. So, like, let's see whether it got changed in the database or not. Okay, it got changed. It got changed in the database. So let's see whether I'm able to log in or not with this. Okay, I'm back to my login page. And your user with password ABC. I'm able to log in. And you can see the leaderboard. Currently, these guys are topping the chart. Once our new user donate enough amount of blood in any of the contests where he will be at the top, then he will be also in the leaderboard. So our leaderboard is designed in such a way it will show you the donor, which is at the top in donation in a particular contest. So it's you will see only one user per contest, and we will only be giving the rewards to one user only. So this is the overall flow of the application. My name is Vaibhav Garg. My teammate's name is Yash Anand. We actually enjoyed the overall development process, and we look forward to any doubts if you have regarding running this application. There is one more mode. We are also providing you the full code to run this application. So in this, all you have to do is just run this main class. The same kind of window will open up. The only difference is in this we are giving you the config.properties file inside the project, since we have to give the property source as class path. If we give it as file path, then we have to pack it as jar.